Good morning, students. I wish you and your family members are good, and I also hope that you all did your previous work properly. One thing more, students, that ma'am will give you a Google link test in every week worksheet. So students, it is compulsory for all the students to give this test, because students, this test is for your weekly revision as well as for your internal assessment. So students, make a promise to the ma'am that you will give the test every week. Okay students, मेक अ प्रॉमिस विद द मैम से आप प्रॉमिस करिए कि आप एवरी वीक गूगल लिंक का टेस्ट करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू नो दैट लास्ट वी डिड द नंबर नेम अप टू 150. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वीक वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू आवर नंबर नेम. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वीक we will be going to complete number name up to 500. Yes students, इस वीक में आप नंबर नेम कहाँ तक कर लेंगे? 500 तक. So let's start with the day 1. So students, day 1 is a Monday on 10th May 2021. So student, on first day, means on 10th May, you have to do the number name 151 to 200. Okay students, and you have to write these number name in your fair notebook, okay, with beautiful and neat and clean handwriting. And student, make sure mention the day and date. Okay, so students, you have to write like this: 151. Students, make sure you have to put and, you have to write and also, A and D. Okay, आपको 151 लिखना है students. You don't write 151. Okay, you have to write and also. Okay students, because it is a method, or we can say it is in a maths rule to write a number name. Okay, so this is the first day work. Let's move to the second day work. Second day is a Tuesday on 11th May 2021. On this day, you write number name 201 to 250. Okay students, take a screenshot of this and write it in your math fair notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Okay, and make sure you have to mention the day and date also. Okay students, take a screenshot. Now move to the third day. Third day is Wednesday. On Wednesday, you have to write the number name in your maths fair notebook from 251 to 300. Okay students, take a screenshot and write it in your fair notebook with calmly and patiently, and see each number name should be in a correct. Now move to the fourth day, that is Thursday. On Thursday, you have to write the number name up from 301 to 350. Take a screenshot again of this and write it in your maths fair notebook. Okay, with a proper pattern of writing, that is to mention the day and date. Okay students, now move to the next day, that is Friday. On Friday you have to write the number name from 351 to 400. Okay students, you have to do all these number name in your math fair notebook. Okay students, math fair notebook, not in any other notebook. Take a screenshot. Now let's move to the another day, next day and the last day work. Yes, last day is a Saturday and you have to write the number name on Saturday from 401 to 500. Take a screenshot of these number name and write it in your math fair notebook with proper pattern, that is mention day and date. This is the number name again, 451 to 500. Take a screenshot. Students, while doing these number names, you have to revise each day work. Okay, आपको each and every day का work same day पे revise करना है, otherwise it will be burden for you. आपके लिए burden हो जाएगा अगर आप revision करेंगे in the end of the day of the week. Okay, and students, make sure that you have to follow the worksheet. आपको जो मैम वर्कशीट प्रोवाइड करते हैं उसको भी आपको अच्छे से फॉलो अप करना है, बिकॉज इन द वर्कशीट मैम विल प्रोवाइड दी होमवर्क, डे वाइज होमवर्क and day wise book pages you have to do, and the solution of the book pages. And students, last week ma'am will give you the review worksheet 1 that you have to do it with yourself. In this week, review worksheet answer 1 is provided in the worksheet. So students, make sure that you will also go through the worksheet. And Google link test for test is also provided in the worksheet. Okay students, and video of this also link provided in the worksheet. So students, stay safe, healthy and at home, and do neat and clean work. Thank you students. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy once again.